In hopes of quelling rising oil demand, the group of international oil producers known as the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries agreed on Sunday to boost oil production beginning next month, ending a weeks-long standoff that helped push oil prices to a nearly 3-year high. Oil prices recouped all their pandemic losses by March, and they've surged roughly 20% higher since. OPEC will meet again on September 1 to assess market conditions and decide whether there should be any production level adjustments for October. Despite the easing of lockdowns and an accelerating vaccine rollout, producers have been careful to ramp up supply after excess inventories drove prices down to negative territory for the first time in history last spring. An all-out price war erupted between oil-producing giants Russia and Saudi Arabia in March 2020, just as travel demand began to plummet during the coronavirus outbreak. Costly to maintain storage tanks soon filled up with no buyers, and the price of one American oil futures contract plunged below zero in April 2020. OPEC and its allies agreed to cut production in order to stabilize prices amid the turmoil, but according to the International Energy Agency, those inventories are still being worked off to this day. Here's why a standoff between oil producers is fueling surging gas prices. Forbes oil spikes as OPEC plus Bicker over how to equitably reopen the spigots. Forbes.